For best system functionality, Registration Max, the vendor of 4H Online 2.0, recommends the use of Chrome and Firefox browsers. If you had an account in 4H Online 1.0, enter the login information for your existing account here. If you did not have an account, click Do Not Have an Account, select California from the drop-down menu, select University of California, choose your county of residence from the drop-down menu, and complete your family's information. Enter a valid email address you check regularly. Enter the family name. This is your family's last name. It is okay if your family members have different last names than the one you choose for the family name. If your family does not have a mobile phone, you may enter a valid phone number. Choose and confirm a password for your account. Passwords must be a minimum of 10 characters with a number, a capital letter, or a symbol. Once you have finished all this information, click Create Account. Enter your family's address information. Then click Verify. The verification process may require you to select an appropriate United States Postal Service format. You have now successfully created a family login. Now you can start to enroll members into your family.